Now, some of the consultancy companies in PR application business claim that they have 99.9% success rate. That means if you apply through them, you have almost 100%, only 0.1% possibility that you may not get it. Otherwise, you are more or less guaranteed. So, in this video, we will evaluate what is the truth and I will present you some statistics in this regard. So, typically, these claims often are of this type that 99.9% success through us, 99% of our cases are approved, or over 90% success rate. And if you observe carefully, few key points you can note are as follows. First of all, none of these companies, the PR application consultancy companies, will give this in writing. They don't have anything written on their website about this. But what happens is that if you go to their meeting, if you meet them in their office, this is told verbally. So the salesperson will constantly be pushing that you are more or less guaranteed to get this. 99.9% is a success rate. So this is only verbally told. If you ask them, are you prepared to give a money back guarantee? Nobody will accept that. So the fact is that all these claims these companies make is 100% lie. Basically, what they are doing a misstatement to entice or to induce the unsuspecting client to sign up their services at a high price. And after that, they will charge prices like $7,000, $10,000, and so on. So basically, they will look at the way how client is reacting, try to sell that it is a 99% success, and then, depending upon his capability, they will try to charge him the money. Now, I will present you three statistics why these statements or why these claims are false. So, first of all, what is the national average of PR applications versus approvals? So, we know employment pass holders, S pass holders, and dependents of citizen PR and work pass holders are allowed to apply for PR. So, if in this image, if you see employment pass holders are 12%, S pass holders are 12%, and dependents are 17%. So together they are 41%. If you multiply this non-resident population of 1.64 million with this 41%, you will get a number. Total number eligible to apply for Singapore PR is 670 to 400. So it's quite a high number. And we don't know how many out of this apply for PR every year because that statistics is not released by ICA. But I generally tend to believe at least a quarter, 25% of these people every year apply. And therefore, I presume that 125,000 people, 120,000 people apply every year and 30,000 PRs are granted. So that is roughly 24% or 25% approval rate. That is a national average. So nationally only 24% PR applications are approved and therefore it is not possible for somebody to obtain a very high percentage of approval of 99%. Of course, by taking specific steps for your clients, you can definitely improve the probability of success, but not from 24% to 99%. Now moving on to the next point, when these firms claim that they have 99% success rate, indirectly they are questioning ICA system. So as you know, ICA is a authority or government agency which looks after PR and citizenship matters. They have a big building and every day possibly they handle 1,000 plus cases combined for PR and citizenship. They have qualified staff and all the systems are developed. So when national average is 24%, and when you claim the firm, the PR consultancy firm, when they claim that they know some secret way by which they can bypass those controls and get 99%. So in a way you are questioning that what system ICA is having, whether it is foolproof or not. And then indirectly you are implying your firm is a decision maker. Because then national average doesn't matter. If anybody comes through you and you can get this kind of 99% guarantee, then everybody should come to you and you are then the decision maker because anybody comes to you has a 99% probability. So this is the second point that proves how false these claims are. And the last point I have is suppose somebody is able to do this. Forget about national average. Forget about secret way. But if you are able to do this, then there should not be any competitor in the market for you. You should be able to capture 100% market and you should be ready to give money back guarantee. What in that case any sensible business will do is if 99 out of 100 applications through you are successful, then you can charge exorbitant prices like $10,000 and give 100% money back guarantee to whoever fails. That way, people will be happy that if my application is not successful, I'm going to get my money back. And if it is successful, I don't really bother paying $10,000. But that doesn't happen. If you ask them, are you ready to give money back guarantee? They will say that no, we don't give guarantee of success, we don't give money back guarantee. So, in summary, success rate claims like this above 90% are a marketing gimmick to entice public to subscribe their services. Don't fall for this. When you talk to them, see the quality of work and then take your decision. That is what my recommendation is.
Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to our channel today. PR Application is a leading immigration consultancy company in Singapore.